back to my channel. My name is Ariel Aaron. If you're new here, hello and welcome. So in today's video, let me just tell you, because I can't move on without telling you. This is a synthetic wig and it's affordable. Who you know? Who you know? It's synthetic. This is not human hair, baby. It's synthetic. I just have to say thank you so much to Ebony Line for sponsoring this video and sending me over this hair, because child is giving Beyonce. Like, get into the baby hairs, get into the quality, the sheen. Like, I can easily just run my hands through the hair and it feels like butter. Most synthetic wigs cannot relate. They just can't. But this synthetic wig is giving. But yeah, guys, if you want to see how I install this beautiful wig, just keep on watching. Alright, so let's get into this beautiful hair. Like, guys, I'm so excited to try this synthetic wig that they sent me, because the girl on the card looks stunning in it. And when the girl on the card looks good in it, you already know the wig's about to look good. So let's open it here. Here is the card for the wig. The wig is called the Apolia wig, and it's in the color DRFF SUNKISS brown. It comes in color 1, 1B, 2, cherry, honey brown. They honestly have a lot of colors. So let's take a look, see how this wig is constructed. So the lace hair on this wig is HD transparent lace, and then they said on the box that it is more hand-tied lace near the part, which creates a sleek flat look, which I love because I do not like humpy wigs. And on the box it says you can style it with no heat, but I might be using my hot comb for a little bit. This hair is 18 inches. Oh my god, look at the highlight. All right, guys, so first impressions. The hair feels extremely soft. I'm trying not to run my hands through it too much because I don't want the crimps to get messed up, but there is tons of shine. The hair is soft. The hairline looks really natural. Like, I'm honestly probably not gonna have to do a lot of plucking, which is amazing. Definitely we have to add some makeup on the lace for it to blend better to my skin, and tweeze it and add some baby hairs. Inside the wig, it comes with 3 wig combs and an elastic band. But if you got a big head like me, we don't need none of that. Like, I never have to use the elastic band. The wig combs though, they're always a nice addition. It gives like extra security. But yeah, we're not working with much lace, which is totally fine with me, because all I really care about is how it looks on the side and the middle part. You don't have to style it because obviously the crimp is the style. So yeah, like, look at this. All right, let's put it on. All right, so normally I just use a foundation brush and my pressed powder, but today I'm gonna go in with my Sally Hansen airbrush legs, and I'm gonna go ahead and spray the lace. All right, so I sprayed the product all over the lace. And now I'm going into the Got2b glue hairspray. I'm gonna spray my hairline with it. Oh my god, this shit is gold. Ooh. The way this shit feels, it's crazy. You could have all the space, all that you need. There's no pressure, girl. If you got time to wait. My initial thoughts, okay, it doesn't look too bad. I'm definitely going to take the hot comb and smooth out the top here a little bit, add some baby hairs, and trying to lift the roots so it's not like so flat. Because I feel like it's just a little too flat and it's making my head look like a cone. The color looks stunning. The texture feels nice and soft. I'm able to run my hands through it. I'm just trying not to so much because I don't want to make the hair big. But yeah, so far this wig from me gets a 8 out of 10. It's missing the 2 points. One, because wow, this is not big head friendly. Like, the cap just needs to be a little bit more elasticy. It needs to have a little bit more give, because I can tell you right now, I won't be able to wear this wig all day just because of how tight it is. Like, it's uncomfortable for sure. But if you were to wear this wig for, say, a little bit, you should be okay. But yeah, with that being said, let's tweeze this part just a little bit. I love the way that looks. Yes. Y'all, I did that. Alright, so baby hairs and sideburns are done. They look amazing. Like, I'm obsessed. Alright guys, we are approaching the finish line. So because I ran my hands through the hair so much, I'm just gonna go in with some oil. Like, literally probably less than a penny size amount. That's literally all I need. And I just want to run it through the hair just to clump the crimps up. Yeah, just like, yeah, you see how that just kind of helps bring the hair back together without looking too frizzy. So this is like a hack of mine. I'm just gonna go in with the rose water spray and just kind of spray the bottom areas, anywhere it's looking kind of frizzy, and it's just gonna tame the hair. Like, it's giving wet look. All I'm doing. Yes, love that. OMG, Ebony Line hair, you did that. At first, I was a little bit skeptical because, you know, it was looking a little crazy. The cap felt like it didn't fit at all, but it turned out good. All right, guys, I am finally done. I'm just going to add some powder in the root because I'm a little extra. All right, so I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me Pressed Powder on a brush, and I'm just gonna swipe right down the middle. Here are the baby hairs. Beautiful, just like that. All right, so we are done installing this beautiful synthetic wig, and I must say, it's not even giving synthetic. Like, it's giving human hair. It's giving grown out my scalp. The lace is melted. The baby hairs laid. The quality feels nice and soft, but overall I would rate this wig a 9 out of 10. It got that point back because wow, look how I'm looking. And I'm sure if you take good care of this wig over the months, you can get probably like 2 months out of this wear. Alright guys, that brings me to the end of this video. As always, I enjoyed making it and I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. If you guys haven't already, be sure to click the link in my description and go cop this wig, because baby, I'm looking like Beyonce. I will put the exact link for this hair in the description so you can purchase it. It's really affordable on Ebony Line. If you enjoyed this, please be sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe button, and I will be back with more videos. Bye.